Culinary Arts program has been around for over 25 years. We're celebrating UVU's 75th, but the Culinary's 25th anniversary is this year as well. The Culinary program has graduated hundreds and even thousands of students as they have been successful in the industry, becoming chefs, pastry chefs in the United States and around the world.
The UVU Culinary Arts Institute program has changed my life. It's helped me become more confident. It's helped me understand really what the culinary industry is like and just how big it is and how expansive it is. And it's helped me understand and realize the hard work it takes. But it's also helped me learn a lot about who I am and who I want to be as a chef. And it's just helped me become a better person.
My favorite part of the program would probably be in the garde manger class. I really like the intricacy that you get when you can do some of the sculpture molding with the vegetables or ice sculptures and stuff like that. And having the professors there to really teach you and give you the life experiences that they had and to kind of motivate you going into the field. I really took a lot from that.
I had absolutely no idea what I was getting myself into when I enrolled in this program. And just culinary school has been an amazing adventure of its own, and doing Knowledge Bowl on top of that has really put it over the top.
Knowledge Bowl was an awesome experience. Most of us were in the same class starting out together, and we wanted to do some kind of competition, and we decided to do Knowledge Bowl.
The best way we can think to describe it is kind of like culinary Jeopardy. When we play, it's this big game board, and there are daily double questions, and there are hidden images, and there are point values associated with certain questions. Pie shot for 30, please.
My experience with the Knowledge Bowl team has been amazing. Like, it was so much fun getting together with the chefs, with my team members, and just practicing every week. And after a while, it definitely became easy to throw down with the chefs, and we beat them to the buzzer and just annihilate them too.
The program really taught me a lot about how to push myself in ways that maybe I'm not comfortable with or that I don't know. And I came into the program really not having a great understanding of what I was doing. So it taught me to motivate myself and push myself because I was uncomfortable. And I would say going into the field now and how that relates is that it continues to make me push myself and be motivated.
UVU is awesome. I had always heard really good things about the program, and then when I got here, even the first month I was here, I was just blown away by how good of a program it is and how quality the instructors are. They really try and help you get hands-on experience and doing events and competitions and things like that. And we just have awesome people.
This experience as being on the Knowledge Bowl team and doing this competition has reinforced my Wolverine pride. I am so proud of the chefs that have taught me, of the people I work with, and of the students that surround me and their work ethics and what it means to be at UVU is to have this great desire to do stuff hands-on and learn the entirety of the experience of a profession instead of just out of a book or just having someone lecture at you. I love learning. Especially about cooking and food, and it just increased my knowledge, increased my passion, and I want to do that for the rest of my life. I want to never stop learning about food.
Going through the program, I personally couldn't do it without the support of my family, and I know that running the program takes a lot of support from the surrounding community, and I have been very thankful for their support in the school and the program itself.
I love cooking. I love food. I love this program. I really feel like it's the best of the best and the cream of the crop, and it's been an awesome experience.
We have so many student success stories. Every year our students compete, and every year our students win. We're so thankful for their dedication and their hard work. It's the student that makes a difference. Think what we could do if we grow our facility and we grow our curriculum and our programs and our degrees. It is a wide open door to make this a very successful culinary arts program, not just in our state, but in our nation and in the world. We know that as we grow, our student will become better, our faculty will improve, and the program itself will be recognized for its significant contributions to community, the craft, and the great art of culinary.